Look here. My co-worker carry food for me. This is a piece of Jamaican bami. So you know when say the fish brown stew and the bami nice. Ah. Nice. Pan fish. Gungo rice and peas at that. This is one of Jamaica specialty. Jamaicans, they love fish with the bone. Jamaicans, they love bami. So they love cook down the fish in a bami. Brown stew fish at that. Nice. But get me food at that way. So you know what they come on to fish? That's my lover. And if you ask me what kind of Jamaican food I like stew peas too, you know. But if you're having chicken food, smoked turkey nigga. And you can put a piece of oxtail, nice salt oxtail. Even piece of salt beef. What my favorite Jamaican meal? My favorite Jamaican meal is stew peas. Next, steamed fish, gungo rice and peas, bami. I love rice and peas and brown stew chicken. Mama would have said me catch me lent. Gungo rice and peas, steamed fish. When I went to Jamaica, I could hardly get this type of fish to buy at a restaurant. In the country, I have to go to town. Because Jamaican people, them buy the sliced fish. Because people don't buy them type of fish, yeah. They're expensive. If you want fish with tail and bone, you have to go to Kingston. Bangamiri and sliced fish. When you come into Jamaican food, I have no beef, I go wild. So time I go back to Jamaica, I don't watch no weight, you know. I just eat. When you come on to Jamaica food, you don't watch your weight, you eat. I love steamed fish, you know. My father used to go to the market, you know. So when I come on my weekend time, I carry fish. My steamed fish, snapper, turbot, which I don't eat anymore. Parrot fish. You see, when I cook all this at Jamaica pan wood fire, very nice so. Back in the days, you know, you remember I have no fridge to put meat, you know. So my father was a butcher. So I'm putting meat pan the crang. And smoky meat. The meat would have been there for years. This when you come into brown cake, Jamaican brown cake. And I have no behavior. No behavior at all. I bought a little cake. Little black cake. And I can't tell nobody. with damage. It was a little cake this size. So through that, I'm not try to add a cake because I'm going to put on too much pound. I love Jamaican food. Jamaican food are best. Cook it on coal stove. So cook it on wood fire. Cook it on gas stove. Jamaican food is the best. When somebody asks, you're Jamaican? You eat curry goat? You eat oxtail? Jerk chicken? We are known for our food. Jamaica is one of the best countries on earth. Where people learn to take them and make fashion. Or fashion as well, them say. You see right under here, so when I sit, when I eat, one bright light under here, so you see. So I always like to come and talk on to my video. Right under the video light. For my loyal subscriber, thank you. Them say you must chew your food 32 times. But boy, I don't know if I get off of, do off by 32. One man sir, rice no for chew. Well, me chew rice and make you well masticated. It fish? You have to make sure you pick out bone. You have to make sure you pick out the bone. Sometimes you have some nice co-worker, you know. Me they are lacking. Okay, I go and fix the Jamaican food. They make calico food come give me. Me not eat frighten anybody. But I'm a well respected friend this. Well, for my subscriber and for those who watch me, a big thank you. I am climbing and I'm climbing. It's all because of you. Who share with your cousin, share with your sister, share with your brother, and share with your friend. Because when me come again, me I go deep down in the roots and the heart of Jamaica. Back to school me I go. So please subscribe, please like, please comment. And please share. Because when me I go for me trip them, me I take one with me. Me I take one up on my trip with me. Please like, please share, please subscribe, tell a friend, we tell our friend, and our friend tell our friend, and the friend tell the other friend. Just like when old people used to say, Pop story give me no liar. Well, me I go pop story give you right now. Please subscribe, please share, please comment, please like up the video. I'll answer to you in the comment section. Please link me. Catch you later. I'm out.